Sometimes school marks are moderated. That is, actual marks are adjusted to better reflect students' performances. For example, if an exam is very easy compared to another, you may want to scale down the marks on the easy exam to make it comparable. I was testing out the impact of moderation, and in this video, I'll try and walk through the impact visually using a simple scaling formula. First, let me show you how to generate marks randomly. Let's say we want marks with a mean of 50 and a standard deviation of 20. So that means that about 2/3 of the marks will be between 50 plus or minus 20. I'll use the NORMSINV formula to generate the numbers. I'm going to use a random number as the first parameter and a mean of 50 and a standard deviation of 20. So that's our first mark. I'm going to generate random marks like this for about 225 students. And now that we have marks for these students, I'm going to plot them on a graph. So I'm going to insert a scatter plot. And now on the scatter plot, we want the x-axis to range from 0 to 225 because that's how many students we have, and we want the y-axis to range from 0 to 100. And now we can remove the x-axis, the y-axis, the title, and the grid lines to produce a compact representation. Now what I'll do is I'll shrink this to the size of just one column. And now we'll make these markers a little smaller so that you can get a cleaner picture. There we go. So that's the representation of the marks of students in one subject, in one exam. As you change these parameters, so as I change the standard deviation, you can see that it's a lot more clustered. When I increase the mean, you can see that it goes up. When I decrease the mean, it goes down. And